Do tagines really retain more moisture? The conventional wisdom is yes. The cover is designed to return all condensation to the bottom. But how would it fare against a normal cast iron pot, similar sized, from the same manufacturer? Let's find out. Very simple. We'll add the same amount of boiling water to each, let them boil for 10 minutes, and we'll scale again. This is precisely 200 ml. Now, they're both on induction 8, 10 minutes. All right, after 10 minutes, let's do some fake science. Scale back on. First, the conventional pot. I'm shaking the lid just to be absolutely fair. $1.16 for the conventional pot. Reset. Now, moment of truth. We are shaking. Is it going to beat 116? Ladies and gentlemen, 123. So it's only been 10 minutes, assuming this is linear. Because it's normally used for braising, this would actually retain a lot more liquid than a conventional pot. So there we have it. The hype is real. A tagine dish actually retains more moisture than a conventional cast iron pot. Cheers. Wow, that's cool, huh?